Boys, girls, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Another short review of a knife that I purchased on Amazon recently. Same brand, CJRB. This is his Feldspar. It's the J1912 Stonewash D2 blade folding knife. I actually like this one a lot. It's also $35. I would say definitely worth the money. You can change the pocket clip on both sides, but just on the back, on the rear of the handle. D2 steel. This is the blue handle, beautiful copper looking, gold looking accent on it. Stonewash blade design. It is kind of sharp. I mean, you can always sharpen it more if you want, but these blades are all made in China. This is a bigger blade. Fits the hand. I'm double XL. Gloves, so large hand. But this is how it looks. Opens up nicely, closes nicely. Nice feedback. The blade is almost centered, if not, yeah, almost centered. There is no wobble, not even when you're trying to open it. Zero wobble. Pretty decent knife. I'm actually keeping this one, returning the other small one that I reviewed earlier. Yeah, this one is staying with us, or with me. I'm going to be carrying this one. I got Spyderco knives. I got this one. I mean, for everyday stuff that I do, I honestly don't want to destroy my Spyderco that I have. So I will probably use a cheaper knife. For what I do, this is plenty. $35 on Amazon. Thank you guys. Stay tuned. I'll come back with more. Take care.